Hello students, myself Rajesh Kumar Sharma, your biology teacher. Today our introductory class for class 11. In class 11 there are 22 chapters. From first to 22 chapters. We will start from unit first, that is the living world. What is living world? Living world means all the biological organism. What are biological organism? Biological organism are those organisms which are living beings, either plant or animals. Clear? So in unit first there are 4 chapters, that is the living world, biological classification, animal kingdom and plant kingdom. This we will study in unit first. Then further we go through up to 22 chapters. In our first chapter, that is living world, we will study about different kind of living organism, either plant or animals. That is biodiversity. Have you heard the name biodiversity? Diversity means different kind of things. So diversity is a common word which you can use for anything, but when there is an additional term, that is biodiversity, then this is related to biological organism, means different kind of living organism, that is biodiversity or biological diversity. This includes from microorganisms or from bacteria to angiosperm or higher plants in case of plants, whereas in case of animal from protozoan to mammals. So, in that we will also study nomenclature, biological classification, how biological organism classify, means biological organism इतने ज़्यादा नंबर में पाए जाते हैं. There are large number of biological organism which if you want to study one by one, that is very difficult, or you can say impossible, because each and every organism, if you are going to study all the things about a single organism, then this leads a long period of time. इवन सपोज मान लीजिए आपके क्लास में ही 8-10 लोग हैं, उन्हीं की एक एक के बारे में, हर एक एक्टिविटी के बारे में स्टडी करने के लिए बोला जाए तो पता चलेगा, आप जो है आपकी एज उनकी एज सेम होगी तो पता चलेगा, पता नहीं कौन चला जाएगा. इसीलिए जो है क्या किया गया, ग्रुपिंग की गई, बायोलॉजिकल ऑर्गेनिज्म को ग्रुप में रखा गया. और एक ग्रुप के एक इंडिविजुअल के बारे में यदि आप इंफॉर्मेशन गैदर कर लिए तो मीन्स आउटलुक जो हो गया, मीन्स उस ग्रुप के जो भी सारे इंडिविजुअल होंगे उनके बारे में आपका ओवरव्यू मिल जाता है. यू कैन राइट और से अबाउट द लिविंग ऑर्गेनिज्म केप्ट इन दैट पर्टिकुलर ग्रुप. This is introductory for class 11. We will start class from next lecture. Okay, thank you.